Hey guys, here's a quick recap of what happened at the ESI Toronto 2026. Superhairpieces and GenC had a blast showcasing a lot of our products, from skincare to beauty and to human hair wigs. We were also able to do a live demonstration of how to install a human hair toupee on our models. After that, we also did a wig try-on with one of our models, Emily Chen. Thank you everyone for coming, and we'll see you on the next one.